Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a look that you can do on an everyday basis. I'm going to be using this palette that I got from BoxyCharm. It's called Rainforest of the Sea. It's a very natural palette. The colors can be used day and night. This is it. It's so cute. And then these are the colors here. So to start, I'm going to prime my eyes. I'm going to be using this. That's just about as much as you need. And I'm just going to apply it directly to my lids and blend it out. I'm just gonna clip my hair back because as you can see it keeps getting in the way. Using this color TIKI here. This color is gonna go all over the lid for me. And I'm gonna bring it up right under my brow bone. And I'm gonna go in with this color. And I'm going to add some to the outer corner of my eye. And then bring it up towards the crease. And I'm just gonna bring it down like I'm making a V. Next, I'm gonna go in with Heat Wave here. And this goes directly on the lid, and I'm just gonna pat that in. And then I just blend it where the colors meet. The pigment is very pretty for this palette. I'm gonna go back in with the darker shade and just blend over that. And that darker shade was Malibu. It's like my transition color in this video. So once this part is complete, the next thing I do is I'm just gonna add some concealer. I'm using Anastasia in 3.75. So I put about that much on my brush, and I'm just going to apply it directly under where I want to brighten and bring it up to the top. And I blend it down. And this I apply under my eye, like that, here, and here. I'm gonna do a brow pencil from Billion Dollar Brows. I got this from my BoxyCharm. I'm just gonna try it now. I'll give you my honest opinion. My brows, as you can see, it's already thick. I have a full brow. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is lightly outline it to give it a little more definition and just kind of make it stand out from the rest of my face. And I do like very soft strokes going up because then it'll be easier for me to blend. And I'll do the same thing on the other side. Spoolies are your best friend. This is it. And I'm just gonna blend this up like that. And I'll do the same thing on the other side. Okay guys, the next thing I'm gonna do is use a Sephora gel eyeliner in Intense Onyx with the Sephora angled eyeliner brush. This is what it looks like. It's nice and thin. I always like to test the product out first on the back of my hand to see how it's gonna apply. Next, I'm gonna go as close as I can to the inner part of my eye And I'm gonna gently build that color. So then I flip the brush so it's pointed outwards and the angle is this way to create that wing. Connect and bring it inwards like that. So it looks like this. And I'm gonna do the same thing with the other side, just so that it's even. So remember, I like to just make sure that looks nice and tight. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is go in with Twice Bake from Urban Decay. And I'm just gonna apply it to the bottom of my lashes. I'm gonna do the same thing. So now I have eyeliner at the top and the bottom of my eye. And I just like to blend out my concealer again to make sure that's nice and blended. I'm gonna use LIMELIFE setting powder. I'm gonna go in with a big fluffy brush just to set my under eyes because I'm done working with it now. So I just use a big fluffy brush and I'm gonna press it into the skin and blend it out. Same thing on the other side. I'm gonna use Anastasia in Saddle to give myself more definition in my cheeks. I'm gonna find my cheekbone, which is here, and apply the color. And I do the same thing on both sides. Like that. I like to do the brim on my forehead, jawbone, and the sides of my nose. So there it goes. I'm gonna use this next, Cover FX. And this is their gold glitter drops, one of my favorite products I've been using. So what I literally do is apply it to my finger. So I'll use about that much on my finger and I just press it into my skin like this. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side here. Okay, I'm gonna use this double decker mascara. I'm just gonna go over my lashes before I apply my false lashes. On this, I'll just apply to the top before I put my lashes on, just so that it blends better. Not too much because you don't want it to look crazy. I'm gonna use these lashes. They're called J Lash. I really like, I'll show you guys what I like when I buy lashes. There's something that I look for specifically. You can see how thin the band is here. It's like so thin. And I love that because this is gonna give me exactly what I'm looking for. So you know with lashes, you always wanna curl them so that they're bent on your natural lid. So you wanna make sure you just give it definition so that it lasts longer. I'm gonna use Duo. It's my favorite glue. So I'll apply that much glue, as you can see there. And then for this part, I'm gonna use my tweezers. I'm gonna just let the glue dry a little bit so that it gets tacky before I press it into my natural lash line. Then I just have to let the glue dry. My natural lash will go directly into this because it looks so good. So the same thing on the other side. And then I'm gonna let this dry a little bit before I place it onto my lashes. What I like about this glue is that it dries clear. So while that dries, what I'm gonna go ahead and do is go in with my lipstick color now. For my lips, I'm just gonna do, this is a lip liner from LIMELIFE. It's LIMELIFE by ALCONE. I'm just gonna tight line my lips before I put like a natural color over it. This is my lips outlined, and then I'm just gonna go in with the nude that I have. So guys, this is a completed look. I hope that you really enjoyed it. I can wear this in the day or the night. Sometimes for work, I'll do this maybe without the lashes, just mascara. And let me just take my hair out so you can see that I'm all ready to go. Thank you for watching. Love, Bassimb.